How to add one name on Facebook. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Facebook. Simply click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. Then go to Settings on top right. In here, go to Account Center. Then click on Profiles. Simply click on Facebook and then click on Name. Simply click on Change Order of Name and you will find this kind of screen pop up. Simply in here, remove last name. I'm not able to edit this, but you will be able to edit first and last name. Simply delete last name and click on Review Change and you're good to go. This is how to add one name on Facebook. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.